It begins with the letter S. This four-letter word that begins with the letter S, it's not the poop one that you're thinking about, this is a family show, is really the beginning. It's the most important thing when you are raising plants. I think a lot of you know what this four-letter word is that begins with the letter S. And some of you are thinking of the wrong thing. Because it begins with the seed. It always begins with the seed. If you ignore the seed, you are unable in order to jump at 24 inches. If you ignore the seed, you're missing the boat. If you ignore the seed, you're giving companies a pass. Because right now, everybody and their dog will tell me to get up and do something about my soil. It's all about the soil. Soil, 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 soil. We have healthy soil, we get a healthy plant. Do you understand how this works, Doc? I get it. But what about the seed? They're like, what about the seed? I was like, is that not important? Let me tell you how important this is right now. If I am ugly, and my wife is ugly, what do you think the chances are that our 8 children are going to be ugly? There's going to be a very good chance that all 8 of them are going to be ugly. Now, I get genetics. Oh, do I understand genetics? I perfectly understand that I could have a mutant child, a child that comes out that happens to be attractive, pretty, handsome. It could happen, but it would be accidental, and it would be a mutation. It would not be natural. The reason why it's not natural is because the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. If you've got an ugly mom and dad, the kids are probably going to be ugly. So, if most of the crops are between 2 to 10 bricks, what makes you think that your seed is top of the line? It isn't. That's why it starts with the seed. Seed constituents. Did you know we actually have sugars in the seeds? Yeah.